There's a couple types of arthritis out there, but today I just want to touch a tiny bit on rheumatoid arthritis, if I can give you some kind of help to get some sort of sense of relief. With RA, your joints end up becoming stiff and sore, and in some cases the joints become so stiff that you can't even move them. First thing, obviously, you have to change your diet. You have to cut all the unwholesome foods out of your diet, and here's a list of everything that you need to stop. The problem with these foods is when you eat them, your blood cells aren't able to get rid of all the impurities that these foods carry. If you have a day that the inflammation is so hard to bear, my suggestion is pour yourself a cup of pleurisy root tea. Take 1 teaspoon of pleurisy root to 1 cup of boiling water and let that steep for 20 minutes. And what you want to do is get into that bathtub and you want to drink the pleurisy tea while you are soaking in the tub. I'm going to show you a poultice that you can make at home to help reduce the inflammation on your joints. You're going to take this poultice. It's nice and warm because you put the hot water on it. Apply it to wherever you're having the pain, and this is going to bring great relief. Diet, pleurisy tea, bath, poultice, and then here are a list of some of the herbs that are absolutely great for rheumatoid arthritis. So look them up, see which ones are beneficial for you. Hopefully some of these methods will help bring some relief.